What's up, guys? It's Starbuck Jeff Coins here. Just cruising up on the train to Santa Barbara to go get my daughter. Not taking any chances, wearing a mask and everything, just kind of, being precautious. So it's all good. Beautiful ride. Pretty much empty train. I've got like 3 or 4, maybe 5 in the business class now, like the whole car section. So just enjoying this beautiful. Sorry about the picture quality, it's not the best, but let's see, we're like freaking empty on this train, completely empty. 3 people on here, so that's pretty cool though, it's a beautiful ride. Going to enjoy it all. Alright, you guys take care, man, be safe from this stupid virus thing. I hope you guys are all alright. Peace. Some beachfront property right there. Figure it's cheaper to come up here on a train and go get her than it was to drive up, wasting 2 cars with gas on both of them. So coming up to Carpinteria. I'm about 30 minutes from my daughter's school. Peace. Oh, there's the Amtrak train. It was pretty much empty. We are good to go. Well, we're leaving Santa Barbara. Later, y'all. Bye-bye, Santa Barbara.